Moto rides, the 2025 JF-17 Thunder, full breakdown. Welcome back to Moto rides. Today, we bring you a full update on the 2025 version of the JF-17 Thunder, a fighter jet that has steadily evolved into a powerful symbol of cost-effective air power. Originally developed by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, PAC, in collaboration with China's Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, CAC, the JF-17 Thunder has reached a new level of capability with the introduction of the Block 3 variant. With upgraded radar systems, improved avionics, advanced weapon integration, and a more powerful engine, the 2025 JF-17 aims to bridge the gap between affordability and modern air combat technology. Design and structure. The JF-17 retains its proven airframe with a length of 14.93 meters, a wingspan of 9.45 meters, and a height of 4.72 meters. The maximum takeoff weight is 12,700 kilograms. The Block 3 benefits from composite materials that reduce its radar cross-section and improve durability. The design remains agile, with a mid-mounted wing and side air intakes optimized for supersonic performance. Minor refinements in fuselage shaping and panel alignment further reduce drag and enhance radar stealth characteristics. Engine and flight performance. The 2025 variant is powered by the new RD-93MA engine, an enhanced version of the original RD-93. This turbofan engine provides greater thrust, fuel efficiency, and a better thrust-to-weight ratio. The JF-17 Block 3 reaches speeds up to Mach 1.6, roughly 1,960 km per hour, and boasts a service ceiling of 16,920 meters. The combat radius has increased to around 1,450 kilometers, providing more flexibility in mission planning and deep strike operations. The rate of climb remains impressive at 300 meters per second. Advanced avionics and cockpit features. The biggest transformation in the Block 3 is its electronic suite. The aircraft now features a KLJ-7A AESA, active electronically scanned array. Radar, dramatically improving detection range, jamming resistance, and multi-target tracking capability. The cockpit includes a wide-area multifunction display, a 3-axis digital fly-by-wire system, a wide-angle HUD, head-up display, and a fully integrated helmet-mounted display, HMD. Together, these systems provide pilots with a modern, high-awareness environment to handle complex aerial engagements. Armament and mission loadout. The JF-17 Block 3 supports a wide range of munitions across its 7 hardpoints. It carries advanced air-to-air missiles including the Chinese PL-10 short-range IR-guided missile and the long-range PL-15, which features active radar guidance and a range exceeding 200 kilometers. For ground attack, it can deploy precision-guided bombs, unguided munitions, and standoff weapons like the CM-400 AKG supersonic cruise missile. The aircraft is also capable of electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and maritime strike missions, making it truly multirole.